Hello, welcome in this video. This is the second video on release on Argo CD. In this video, we are going to focus on the environment promotion scenario. In my first video, it was all about the continuous delivery scenario. I wrote an article and I also recorded a video. So if you want to get all the details, please check my article. In the environment promotion, what we want to do is to promote a specific version that is already deployed in our first environment, so the dev one in our case, and we want to promote it in our test environment. So if we check the version here, we have version A41 that we want to promote in our UAT environment. So to change, we have the 6B, so we want to promote the new one, right? To do this, we are going to use the environment promotion template. If we check the detail of this template, what we see is that it is very similar as the continuous delivery template. The only difference, because we are going to do the same, we want to change the manifest file that is referenced by the Argo CD application. The only difference is the way we start the template. Usually, when in the continuous delivery scenario, we want to automatically deploy the new application in the dev environment. For the promotion, it could be done automatically, but sometimes, specifically when we deploy in production environment, we want some manual validation. So in our case, we would have a more complete scenario where we would integrate some manual tests. So in my sample, I only focus on the promotion, the task to do the promotion, but it could be part of a more complete sample, like, for example, validation. So we could add a validation phase before, and then add a task like a gate validation. So we choose a gate, add, and then we could add a condition. Let's say test are okay. So this is a task that is a manual task that we have to assign to a specific user or a specific group of users, what we call a team. And someone will have to validate the task before going to the next step, right? And then we could have another phase with other tasks. So, of course, we could encapsulate all these tasks that are related specifically for the promotion into one template that we could reuse, so that we share the best practice for the promotion. Right, in our case, we are going to focus only on these tasks, and we are going to start the release manual. So let's go. We click on new release. I call it promotion hello world dev to UAT. Argo app name is the name of the Argo CD application, the one we target, hello world UAT. The new tag is the tag we want to promote. So in our case, this is the one we have here. Copy. Paste. Git repo URL, this is the URL of the Git repo. .git. Git repo name, this is only the name of the repo. Local git clone path. So this one is a local folder that is used by release to clone the repo. So it is removed at the end, so you can put anything here. Manifest path in Git. So this is the path where we reference the manifest file. So in our case, this one, and the manifest is hello world.yaml. hello world.yaml, and the container name is inside the hello world. This is the key here, the name of the container, so that we know exactly where to modify inside the YAML file. Alright, we are ready to start and to create the release. So let's create the release. By default it is not starting, only play. So we start the release and we check the progression. So we create the branch, we clone, we change the manifest file with a new tag. We do a pull request, we merge, and then we notify Argo. So now we see that in the test environment, Argo CD is doing the synchronization. So create new pods and after remove the old one. And what we see is that the new pod are referring to the new tag. So this is a very simple example. So the second video on my series release on Argo CD. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.